taking a picture of a don't know what I do.
Why are you blocking it? Maybe what you gonna do?
So I don't really know what to do in this situation.
Cry.
You fucking film me, fool boy.
If you're going to film me, I'm going to film you!
Creative project. This is my creative project. Oh, okay, fine. We'll get like all of them. They do still have chicken ones.
Yeah, thank you.
What's it called, James? It's called Rob's. Why is it called that, James?
Yes, that one. That's yes.
And why did we feel
I'm gonna
like
pour
naked,
wine.
James? Because you went to it like
You spilt it. Which is not enough. I need it. No, I'm the right amount for this. So like, I've gotten 2 free drinks today.
Yeah, I'm a bit like, I don't know, because the only thing I know that's open late on Mondays is East. There's literally the only bar that's open.
How far is East? Not really that far. What's wrong with this? I wonder what's wrong with it.
Okay, amazing. Yeah, it's above the taxi rank and there's 2 pigeons.
I think it's 49.
Central top one. 49 apparently.
Okay, no worries.
Brother! You're doing big work.
Yeah, my favourite BIM alumni. I love BIM.
He did.
I think these are Pingdog's biggest fans, but it's just crazy. No, it's Annabelle.
T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E.
My sister had a baby and I took it over.
That's a fire shrimp right there. That's a fire shrimp.
My wife.
Neil, you've stolen my joke.
I was just reading it from Google.
I found it.
My sister had a baby. My sister had a baby and it had no arms and legs and it was very happy.
For you, and you're gonna be too late, and you're gonna live with it for the rest of your life.
Me and the National Express are like quite good friends.
It's in my bag. I've got my favourite daytime Birra ready. This is a lager in the shade Premium.
And then it's over. So what is the meaning of life? To me, the meaning of human life is to be happy. It's to achieve happiness right now. It's to make sure that you're happy in the future. And if some people on YouTube try to have a message to give people, well, I guess the line is, do whatever you have to do to be happy. If something's making you unhappy, then don't moan about it or spend ages being sad.
I mean, with respect, I'm not watching like musicals and writing 5-star reviews. Sorry, I didn't mean to insult musicals. Anyway, but my point was, now, when we perform, the joy feels like more rebellious, man. It feels like almost...
Yeah, please don't crank it out. Oh, he went away. I've got a Carlsberg. This is in the shade Grain. This is one of my everyday essentials.
Daniel! Where the burgers come from, Daniel? Nothing compares.
Mr. Bilbo, where are you off to? I can't stop, I'm already late. Late for what? I'm going on an adventure.
You're going to film me. I'm going to film you.
I know what I like.
Ellie's!
Am I getting paid for this?
We got to pick you up.
I've got my drumstick. And that's just for multiple things like opening my Birra readies.
Yeah. I want to fucking rip. Oh, when do I have that?
Oh man, I was going to have one when I got...
No, I did not know that. That's terrible.
Let's take a drink.
Go on.
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anne-Marie. Happy birthday to you.
I want to make it absolutely plain.
Oh goodness.
I am absolutely thrilled to bits for Caleb. I'm not a socialist. I want him to do well. I want...
Too honest, we're...
You waited patiently.
And you were very good.
And you didn't come over and try and dive bomb us?
No, you said.
So close. And I've literally always said that. Always said that. I'm gone. When I'm gone. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my horn. You're gonna miss me by my taco. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. She's running out the door. Has it started? Yes.
Oh, we're on the second verse start then.
Little bit of a breeze and I'm living and loving my life on this. I'm just trying to keep up from the Nobody knows. Gonna see the men in Barbados. No, never go.
Catch him, Daddy!
Catch him, Derry. Catch him. Catch him, Derry. Bigger towel, that's it. Get him now, quick. Get him.
Oh, fuck, he knows I can't get behind the TV.
Surprise. Hope we make the video, but if not, it's okay. I'll blame Jay.
You can broom it.
I'm a fan.
Catch him, Daddy!
Good bin. It's jarring when people.
Now
Oh, I
what?
haven't thought about
Now?
that. He's in the bag. It's kind of like he's a cat. Out. No, he isn't. Fuck away with him. No, because it will fly out.
Anne-Marie, just
No,
put it
it won't.
outside.
No,